for me all this time since we've grown up. We'll change this world together, show them we've had enough. And we won't stop for no one, 'cause we're that tough, we'll be okay. We've spent our lives surrounded by these blank white walls, and the people who surround us make us feel so small. But we'll always be forever, we'll break each other's falls, we'll have our day. Ooh, I never thought this is where we'd be. I'm in love with you and you're in love with me. Let's go somewhere, somewhere we'll always be free. This is our life when I am daydreaming. Is this where it ends? Is this our final test? Is this when we die and lay our souls to rest? And everyone is jealous 'cause I have it best, 'cause you chose me. I can't believe they call this heaven. This is nothing new. Every day I've spent in heaven, 'cause every day I've spent with you. And we'll walk down these golden streets, just us two, we're all we need. Oh, I never thought this is where we'd be. I'm in love with you and you're in love with me. Let's go somewhere, somewhere we'll always be free. This is our life when I am daydreaming. Time says you're old and gray, but I can disagree. You look the same as when we were 23. I don't care, we can live in our memories. This is our life when I am daydreaming.